So I was downstairs in the kitchen trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat because I'm still up. Um, and I looked in my freezer and I saw these Morningstar sausage patties. So I was like, "Ooh, sausage patties! I'm in the mood for that." And it's vegan. It's Morningstar, right? And then I had these tortilla like tacos, the soft tacos, and I was like, "Ooh, I can put like the sausage meat in there." And then I was like, I have some vegan cheese too. So I was like, ooh, I can make like these little sausage taco thingies. So anyway, this is what it looks like. There they go. There they go. Two of them. Yep. So I didn't try it yet, but I'm about to try it now, and we'll see how it is. All right. So here it goes. Oh, wait. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's beautiful. Again, Morningstar vegan sausage, vegan cheese. I also put I cut up some small like cherry tomatoes, a little bit of spring mix salad leaves in there, and a little bit of salsa. This is perfect. This is perfect. Not too heavy. It's just perfect. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cayenne pepper. The cayenne heats it up because I like it. I like it with some kick. I don't put too much, but I put a little bit instead of the regular ground black pepper. I use the cayenne and then I use a little bit of sea salt. It's beautiful.